Jai Sardar. How are you? You're doing well, aren't you? You recognize me, right? Today, I am sharing a growth story with you. I am Sardar Dham, the focal point of nation building through community development. This vision was planted long ago by our Iron Man, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल।
तो हिंदुस्तान का भविष्य किस तरह से होगा, किस तरह से बनाना, वो हमारे हाथ की बात है। तो हमें सांस खाने का समय नहीं है, आराम लेने का समय नहीं है, सोचने का समय नहीं है कि हमारी उम्र कितनी है न है। रात दिन हमें काम करना है, तब हिंदुस्तान उठ सकता है।
I am the physical embodiment of his call for nation building through community development. I am the best example of the Patidar community's unity and its efforts to secure a bright future and all-round development for its youth. Mission 2026 is the mission to take this success story forward. Look, in the Sardar Dham Phase 1 complex, 2,000 young men are working hard for their bright futures. And now, the girls' hostel complex in Phase 2 is also ready with facilities for 3,000 young women.
સરદાર ધામનું નામ જેટલું પવિત્ર છે એટલું જ એનું કામ પણ પવિત્ર છે. જે દીકરીઓ આ હોસ્ટેલમાં રહેશે, જેમને અનેક પોતાના અરમાન હશે, પોતાના સપના હશે, એ પૂરા કરવાના અનેક અવસર મળવાના છે. અને એટલું જ નહીં, દીકરીઓ જ્યારે પોતાના પગ ઉપર ઊભી હશે, સામર્થ્યવાન થઈ હશે, ત્યારે રાષ્ટ્ર નિર્માણ પણ એમની અહમ ભૂમિકા સ્વાભાવિક બનવાની છે.
The construction of a complex for 2,000 students in Vadodara is also nearing completion. And in Bhuj, there is the Surya Varsani Civil Service Center with facilities for 100 students. And in Delhi, the Sardar Dham Civil Service Center for 75 students preparing for UPSC. We also have the humble goal of building similar complexes in Surat, Rajkot and Mehsana to benefit more than 2,000 young men and women. This means that whether in Gujarat or outside, there are proper facilities for Patidar students. Do you know the best part? Here, there is a system in place for talented young men and women so that they don't have to ask for help to build their future.
मिशन 2026 के रोड मैप अंतर्गत सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल को आदर्श मानते हुए एक सामाजिक क्रांति अंतर्गत सरदार धाम समाज निर्माण से राष्ट्र निर्माण और सरदार धाम एक विचार यात्रा है। आज तक सरदार धाम विचार यात्रा में करीबन 1100 से ज़्यादा महादाता, महाभूमिदाता, भूमिदाता, स्थापक ट्रस्टी एवं ट्रस्टीगण जुड़ चुके हैं। सरदार धाम एक सामाजिक क्रांति अंतर्गत युवा शक्ति को ताल मिलाने के लिए, उनके सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए 3 सिद्धांत के साथ काम कर रहे हैं। नंबर 1, समस्त पाटीदार समाज की एकता। दूसरा, समस्त पाटीदार समाज की युवा पीढ़ी को शिक्षित, दीक्षित, विकसित और स्वयंभू रक्षित करने की विभावना। तीसरा सिद्धांत है कि युवा शक्ति से नया भारत का निर्माण करके सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का सपना का भारत निर्माण करना है। और आगे बात कहूँ तो दोस्तों, सरदार धाम सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जिस तरह से नया भारत का निर्माण करने की जो बात कर रहे थे, वही दिशा में बिन सांप्रदायिक और बिन राज्य की तरह से काम कर रहा है और गांव से लेकर ग्लोबल यानी कि विश्व तक समाज के औद्योगिक व्यापारी प्रोफेशनल सेक्टर में जुड़े हुए सभी बंधु भगिनियों को मैं आपका प्रमुख सेवक गगजी सुतरिया तहे दिल से दो हाथ जोड़ के आह्वान करता हूँ, सब तन मन धन से सरदार धाम विचार यात्रा में जुड़ जाइए और सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का सपना का समाज और देश का निर्माण करिए। आइए हम सब मिलकर पाटीदार समाज का एक भव्य दिव्य नयन रम्य इतिहास लिखते हैं।
In addition to the hostel and institute projects, there is also a result-oriented work structure based on 3 Gs. This is very useful for these young people for various activities, from education to career building. To help them advance in the GPSC, UPSC, defense and judiciary sectors, there is a Center for Entrepreneurship Development, which is a civil service center. Here, they receive training from experts in different fields like administration, the judiciary and defense. You know what they say, don't you? Hard work is the key to success. It's exactly like that here. Because here, superior skills training builds a ladder that leads to the heights of success. While a skilled workforce is being prepared on one hand, entrepreneurs are also being readied on the other. Once a business starts, there is also the Global Patidar Business Organization to help take it from local to global. There is also the Global Patidar Business Summit, which is held from time to time for business expansion. And the Global Patidar Business Summit is going to be organized in the USA in 2026. Additionally, there is also the SPIBO website and a mobile app to boost business with just one click. This means your business will continue to grow no matter where you are in the world. However, these young people are not just active in business, they are also quite active in their love for the nation. But this is not just about one community. It is for the benefit of all communities. An example of this is the OPD level medical center, where medical facilities are available at a very affordable price. And more than 1.5 crore rupees is provided as assistance every year to deserving and talented students from all communities. But this is just the beginning, because this ideological campaign of Sardar Dham is not just a mission. It is the beginning of a social revolution. This is so that for the next decade, funds and energy can be invested in youth development to transform the image of the community and the nation. So, we'll meet again with new chapters of this success story. Jai Sardar, Jai Hind. I am Sardar Dham, the focal point of nation building through community development.